Hi, it's Cindy from crucialair.com, and today we're replacing the Crucial Air branded Winix 115115 air purifying filter on our Winix Plasma Wave 5300. So before we get started, always remember to unplug your unit. To access the filter, pull on the tabs at the bottom and unlatch the top. We can put our cover aside. And our filter is located right inside with the carbon filter. So you can just take that out with the tabs on the side. Okay. And now you're ready to replace it with a filter that you got from crucialair.com with 4 carbon filters. Crucialair.com, free shipping! To replace it with the filter that you got from crucialair.com, you can just place the filter back in using the tabs provided on the side. And put the carbon filter, one of 4 that you got in your set from crucialair.com, right on top. And you can grab your cover and hatch it from the top first and lock the bottom. And that was the easiest filter replacement. And all this with free shipping from crucialair.com. So we'll see you at crucialair.com.